Leonard here. Okay, this is for your air-cooled Vanagon people who have a problem with their ignition system. I've done a lot of homework on this stuff and talked to some people who fixed them when they were new. And the first thing that I want to suggest that you do is to take anything that's got a slide-on fitting for a ground wire. Take it off, solder the wires up. You can see I just soldered the negative terminal wires up, the ones that are underneath the plenum chamber. Get those things soldered up. Put a ring on the if you can see the bolt where holds the transmission on. Just get a big ring, solder it on a big washer, bolt it onto the engine, and you're done with it. You're going to have some ground circuit. The next thing I found out that you should test is how much voltage you get to the coil with the key on its on position in the start mode. In other words, you're going to have somebody back here with an ohms meter, volt ohms meter, and read it. Mine was 7 volts out of 12, so that don't get it. So I put a relay on there, so when I start I have 12 volts power from the battery direct to the coil. That makes a big difference. Next thing I'm going to strongly suggest to you is if you want to pass smog and you want a better spark is to replace all the spark plug wires with NOLOGY spark plug wires. These things got capacitors built into the wires. Each wire has a ground circuit. You can see here is a ground wire. It goes to the spark plug. Get a set of those on there. You only got to buy 4. They're worth their weight in gold. And the final is take the original coil off, pack it up, sell it, get rid of it, put a 45,000 volt coil on. This is NOLOGY. These are handmade in Germany. 45,000 volts throughout the whole RPM range. It'll make a difference when you go to smog your vehicle. This thing used to be a terrible start. Now I can turn the key, and before I let my hands off the key switch, it's already running. So let's give it a start. I'll show you. Okay, starting mode. Here's the key. Turn it. It's already running. Fast as you can let go of the key. Nice response. There you go. You want an air-cooled Vanagon that starts and passes smog. It'll help get a good ignition system going on it. Anything that's got a ground wire, it's got a slip-on socket. Take it off. Put an eyelet on there and bolt it onto the engine. These systems run on the oxygen sensor and the head temperature sensor. Those 2 items right there are the major components of this antique fuel injection system. Without those, you got problems. So you're not going to get a good running engine unless you got a good temperature sensor and if you got a good oxygen sensor. And the oxygen sensors on these things are lucky to last 30,000 miles. There you have it. That's all I got for now. Thanks.